Hi, 8th grade. This is the information for Wednesday the 9th, Thursday the 10th, and Friday the 11th of December. Wednesday is a live on Zoom day, and our agenda looks like this. We'll go over Tuesday. Wednesday's topic is weather maps, and then I will preview Thursday and Friday the 10th and 11th's work. So on Tuesday, you looked at air masses. You had 4 things to complete: watching the air masses video, reading a summary, completing some notes, and then practicing by completing assignment number 21. See, on the air mass page, it looks like this. This is what the note should be that you filled in. Air masses move in the United States because of 2 things: the prevailing westerlies and the jet streams. There are 4 types of air masses: tropical, which is formed near the tropics. Along the equator, it's got warm air. Polar air masses, which form near the poles. Cold air. Maritime, which forms over oceans. That's going to be full of moisture. And then dry air masses will form over the continents. We call those continental. We can then combine the types to have maritime tropical, which would be warm and wet. Continental tropical, which would be warm and dry. Maritime polar, which would be cool and wet. And continental polar, which would be cool and dry. Again, don't forget to complete assignment number 21 if you have not already done so. Wednesday's topic is looking at 2 different types of weather maps. One is an isotherm map, the other is a station model. Here for the station model, we are looking at a lot of complex information presented in a small way. Here, this first one is done for you. So we're trying to decipher all of the information. We start with the temperature, which is on the upper left-hand side. In this example, it is 26 degrees Fahrenheit. The dew point is listed under that. It is 15 degrees. I'll come back to air pressure in a second. The sky coverage is the amount of the circle that is filled in. In this case, it's 25%. The wind speed is indicated by the end of the stick. There's a full and a half that indicates 15 knots. And the direction the large part is pointing is where the wind is coming from. In this case, it is the northwest. To tackle the air pressure, you look to the number on the right. If the first digit is 4 or fewer, you add a 10 to the front. If it is 5 or more, you put a 9 out in the front. So I look at the number 9, that's obviously greater than 5. So I put a 9 out in the front and I get 9990. In both instances, I put a decimal 1 digit in. So the answer is 999. Then you need to look at an isotherm map, very similar to the isobar map that we looked at a couple of days ago. So there's some practice drawing the isotherm map and then some questions. Please pause this video to complete the station models and the isotherm map if you have not already done so. Welcome back. Here are the answers for the station models. Please review your work and see how it compares to mine. The isotherm map is drawn there. And then the answers that I got, a state where there's a cooler air or polar air mass. I picked kind of this cold area to the west of Minnesota, that's North Dakota. Here I picked this warm air mass or tropical air mass kind of over Arizona. And if we were getting air from Canada, which we in Minnesota do quite a bit, we would be calling that continental polar. We also watched a brain pop on hurricanes. Thursday, you're going to look at a different kind of weather map, one that's found in the newspaper. You're to watch the video, use the weather map to answer some questions, and complete assignment 22. Again, there are the questions, and there's a link to the weather map sample from the Star Tribune there. And then on Friday, you're going to do something called Boom Cards. It's a vocabulary and question review. You'll follow the link for your class. You'll click on your name. The password is science. You'll then want to change your password to your school password and complete the deck for weather task cards. I'd suggest going through the deck several times to become better at answering the questions and answering more and more correct. If you have any questions, please reach out and let me know. I'm very happy to help. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.